Your attic can get super heated in the summer, making your living spaces uncomfortable and expensive to cool, and even damaging your roof structure. So what's the solution? An attic fan with big power for big impact. Solatube's new RM2400 solar attic fan, our biggest fan ever at 35 watts. It goes to work all day, aggressively pulling heat from your attic and your home structure to keep you cool, protect your roof and attic, and reduce your air conditioning costs. It even goes to work in the winter to prevent moisture buildup, mold, and ice damming. Don't need the massive power of the RM2400 or prefer an internally mounted fan? Solatube has all the solar attic fan options to fit your needs. And thanks to their solar components, they qualify for a federal tax credit. So you not only save on costs to cool your home, but also on the product and installation expenses. Call now to learn more and start cooling your attic right away with serious power.